Yep, I am here at the local dealership, all the backhoes, and this 7.5. What I was wanting to do is look at the cab machines, man. See what kind of this. Oh, SK. Oh wow, man, this thing's pretty. Boy, man, this is nice. So I was looking at the doors. That's one of the things I was interested in. Got doors. Mirrors. This little deal here. That's cool. That's what I want. Radio. Train going across the street. Imagine that. Pretty cool, man. I like this. Tilt steering too. But that was one of the things I was interested in, was the doors. That's basically the same as that door. See, that's different though. That trim up there, the door is still up against. So that's all tapped, bolted. Trigger, no hydraulics. Spring loaded. Wonder what else they got out here. There's a 1.3. SJ. Oh wow, there's a SJ. That's been on the rental fleet. SK, 310 SK. There's a 310. K. Oh yeah, the SK, yeah, it's got more horsepower. Yeah, that's what was throwing me off. I forgot about that, man. Yeah, it's got the taller tires on it. The SK versus the K. Pretty cool. And we got a 544. With a coupler on the front of it. Pretty good size. That's a 4-in-1 front bucket, man. $544. Oh, it's a 2.75 cubic yard. 544. There's 724 down there. Got a nice big bucket on the front of it. $4.75 cubic yard. Yeah, I figured it'd be better than that. I'm not really into these front loaders. Back down to the backhoes. There's a K. It's been on the rental fleet, looks like. I don't. I guess it's got it locked, but you can open it. SK, 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 SJ. Oh, then we get down here to the 210K. No, that thing needs some ROPS in the front of it, man. It will load up there and drop something down on you, man. I think you need some more protection. Big old box blade rippers. I think it's got power down on it too. Shanks, rippers. But I'll speak to y'all later. And take care and God bless. Bye.